There it is, a graphic card which everyone was waiting for. Ventus 3X GeForce RTX 480 Super OC Edition, DLSS-free, ray tracing, reflex, and studio. Let's unbox it. Let's see what's in. On the back, we have triple fan, Torx fan 40, airflow control, core pipe, MSI center, all kinds of info. Pause the video if you want to read that. Wow. Okay, that's to hold the card in your rack holder. Wow, so many pins. Huge cable with a warning, and the graphic card itself. Whoa, that is heavy, heavy. What else do we have here? Manual, European Union regulatory, and graphic card. Wow, what a heavy beast. Wow, there you go, there you go. Look at that in close-up. That is a chip for you. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let me just... Okay, on this side we don't have too much. Just a port. Whoop, camera. On this side, a couple of ports. What does that mean? It means HDMI, DisplayPort, HDMI, and DisplayPort. 2 HDMIs, which is cool, I guess. Yeah, I definitely need two HDMI. It's cool. And on this side, not too much. On the back, not too much either. Fan, and there's a plastic pre-installer. The box is huge, but the components have to breathe to be extremely silent. Dry. Dry. RTX 380. Dry. Like an idiot. Oh, 3 cables to one, now that is a great hunger for power. Now with the cable management, this looks terrible. What should I do with it? Why this cable is so short? Why it's in the middle of a window? If this port will be at the back, it will be much better. Oh, at the bottom, I don't know. It's for cable management, it's a huge disaster. First start. I can hear it from like 4 meters. I don't know. Is this going to fade out? Well, we're going to find out sooner or later. I mean, after a couple of days of usage. For now, not impressed. Oh. You did? MSI, what happened? Video 4K 60 took me 3 minutes 6 seconds. 2 minutes 19 seconds with the latest RTX. And this is the maximum settings for the RTX 380. So we say 15 frames per second. That's not too. Okay, so this is RTX 480 Super. Now you can see we have 26 frames per second, 28, 26. And it is semi-smooth. Semi-smooth. Let me just get out. 23, 24. It's okay, I guess.
Just look who it is!
Starfighter. 60 frames per second. Maximum settings all the way. Alright. Alright. Looks awesome. Looks fantastic. Got him. There's another one. Attack! Tekken 8.
Round 2. Fight.
Oh, hey, sorry, happy holidays! Pete, scale of 1 to 10. How we doing?
10 for generating spectacle, 1 for minimizing destruction. Tomorrow's Bugle headline's gonna be a doozy.
Worst thing out of this is a bad headline? I'ma count us lucky. Oh, crap, Matt doing her bad! Pete, this is starting to feel real bad, man.
Don't think like that. We're going to stop him, as long as we work together. Speaking of, mind giving me a hand up here?
Yeah, I got you. Okay, Pete. Yeah, I got this.
Take it easy, careful.
Oh, wait,
Hang on tight, tiny spider!
Spider-Man, hey! You need a little help? Hey! Whoa!
Miguel!
The Silver Crown Mountain. I'm getting closer. Someone's over there. I have to get to them. Howlers.
Conclusion, for PC enthusiasts, a cable in the middle, a short cable in the middle, now that is not great. Not great at all. If you have a custom cable, long cable, then maybe. Well, socket in the middle is, I don't know why they do it in the middle, but it is what it is. Sound-wise, it's great. What does that mean? It means when you're gaming, when you're rendering, spinning sound than in the previous version. That is a fact. But it has that annoying. Okay, now it stops because I'm not doing anything on the PC. But it has that annoying sound, low frequency sound, which my ear is taking and it's pissing me off. That's what it does. You won't hear it now because it stops. When it stops, it's okay. But when it's spinning, I try to stop every one of the fan, and that didn't do nothing. When I stopped two of them, first one from the sockets, from the left, then it stops. It's a very annoying sound. You won't be able to hear it. Now it stops, so you won't be able to hear it. It's like... It's a wobbling sound. It's not that loud like I'm doing this on the microphone, but I can hear it from 4 meters away when the case is close. So it's pissing me off greatly. I cannot stand a sound like that. Maybe it's only my piss. Maybe. I will definitely go back to my previous car, which is dead silent. And yeah. It is powerful. It is great for gamers. For audiophiles, maybe a different piece will be different. Who knows? Or maybe I can fix it. Let me know in the comment below. 2 fans are blowing air to each other and they make that sound. Maybe. I don't know. It is what it is. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.